Yo, what's going on? YouTube, KKN Comics back here. Been a long time since I did a haul, but I have a bunch of books, a lot of pull lists, a lot of back issue stuff, nothing crazy. It's been harder and harder to find keys recently. Keys and the stuff that, we put up on, our videos, I think inflects the price like higher, and I think a lot of shop owners are catching on, but still love to go hunting and still have all the stuff that we do with this book. But shout out to everybody, and I'm drinking a limerita, tasty. Don't clown on it, don't hate. But let's get into it. So DC's putting out this new Future's End, the new 52 Future's End. There's a few that I got. I like the this is Green Arrow #1 one shot. Love the cover. Green Arrow with don't mind the stuff in the background. My roommate's got the Monday Night Game on it. I got Justin Forsett going in my fantasy league, so he needs to do it. He needs to give me one touchdown. Anyway, Green Arrow, Future's End. I love the cover. Oliver Queen's statue. His tombstone getting desecrated there, whatnot. With the Green Arrow standing behind him, pretty darn cool. Next book, and my chair again as always. And I'm just gonna sit up. Next book is Suicide Squad, the new Suicide Squad, one shot. Awesome cover there. With Harley in the Oval Office, President of the United States. I'm going to read that one. Pretty cool. I did very much like the cover on that one, so pick that up. Pretty awesome. From my pull list, this is a back issue. Sheltered #7, Ed Brisson, Johnny Christmas. Awesome, cool cover. Pretty baller cover. This one was my pull list. This is a new one right there. This #11. That's #11. I'm very much enjoying this run. It used to be. It's from Image. It used to be. It hasn't been optioned for a television show or a movie. The price on the books, especially #1, has come down. I had 2 copies of #1 near mint condition. If anybody wants to trade one, if they haven't had it, let me know. We'll do it. This is from last week's pull list. Sinestro #5 again. Dale Eaglesham's back on the cover, back on the artwork. Cullen Bunn, just a monster cover. The book is just awesome. If you haven't hopped on the Sinestro run, get on it, man. I mean, Green Hornet, just good stuff. It's awesome. And this is actually the first appearance of the Parallax right there. Pretty cool. Harley #10 right there. Enjoy the cover. Pretty cool. Amanda Connor, Jimmy Palmiotti just doing it. Harley. Actually like the pink there. It's pretty cool. Enjoying the run. It's a fun book to read. If anything, it's a fun book to read. So, continuing, Wicked and the Divine #3. Now, a shop owner had a variant to this, and the variant's actually a cover price variant, but he didn't put it in my pull list, and I don't know, I just didn't get it. Very much enjoying the Wicked and the Divine. Gillen McKelvey and Wilson Cowles, pretty cool. This issue kind of redeemed it for me. Very much enjoyed it. So, good to go there. I'll put those up there. Actually, no, I'm going to move these. Alright, everyone know if you're watching my videos, this is the last of my pull list. Warren Ellis, Jason Howard, Trees, #4. It's getting to the point where I'm just so amped up to see what happens next. God, I wish it didn't take forever. And I'm sure you see the glare. So let me just... Trees right there. #1. It's in Mylar. I put the books that I love. Whether they're popular, valuable, or whatnot. The books that I'm going to keep in my collection, they go in Mylar. Simple as that. So, booyakasha. Let's keep running through it. I got a lot more books. Holy shit balls. Again, early Rachel Rising. Hard to find this stuff. Rachel Rising #7. #9, #11, #27, back on the pull list. Terry Moore is a genius. definitely a genius. I would love to get my hands on a first printing, first edition of number 1. I'd be willing to trade a bunch. I've put out an APB in other videos, guys. If you have it, get to me, and would love it. Again, the background noise is the NFL game. My roommate's room is next door. Was hunting through back issue bins right there. Deadpool number 58. Deadpool versus Black Swan, and not Natalie Portman's Black Swan. The real Black Swan. Pretty cool. Awesome cover. Deadpool. That's the Deadpool that we know and love. You know, he's a villain, I guess, but he's also a comedian. And Deadpool Kills the Marvel Universe number 3, second printing variant. Cullen Bunn, you guys know I love him. And artwork by, God, I forget his name. I really do. What is the artist is a pretty cool artist. I always forget his name for whatever reason. His first name. His last name is Taylorjich, I guess. I don't know. But it's pretty awesome artwork. And I mean, it's Hammer. You got the Hammer pants on. Found this for $2 right here. Here's Green Lantern number 1, new 52. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. $2. I'd say it's worth about that, if not 4 or 5. And I've been looking for these next books for a while. George Romero. This is Empire of the Dead. Number 1 in Mylar. Awesome book. Awesome artwork by Alex Maleev. He is the artwork is throwback to artwork that you love, you know, and you love. It's comic artwork. It's not so much that computer. It's definitely drawn, which I very much enjoyed. And that is this book is going to be released. Well, these have already been released, and I got this one for $2 at my shop. It's an ongoing set, Empire of the Dead, but it's going to be released in books, and each book is going to be like 5, or acts. Each act is going to be like 5 books. So this is Act 1. So that's number 1. Look at the covers on these, man. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Love that cover. Number 5. There you go. That's the first act. The second act. Oh, and I just remembered why I remembered, because Empire of the Dead struck me. Taylorjich, who did where are we at? Taylorjich, who did the artwork for Deadpool Kills the Marvel Universe, also did the artwork for bam, Empire of the Dead number 1, Act 2. I mean, just look at give those books a chance, and look at that artwork. The artwork is amazing. That cover is bananas. It's bananas. And okay, I probably got about maybe 8 more books left. All these books, back issues, run fillers, all good stuff. There you go. Cool cover. Amazing Spider-Man number 270. Black costume on the cover. Captain America, Wasp. I like it. Couple Avengers on that, you know. Cool shit right there. Firelord in that one. This is the 3-part miniseries from Top Dollar Comics. Obar's The Crow. Very happy to find this book. This book will go in my personal collection. This is number 1 from Top Dollar and Kitchen Sink, actually. Kitchen Sink Comics. Was able to also find number 3. So obviously I'm missing number 2. If anyone has it, let me know. Would love to trade for it. All that kind of stuff. And, you know, cool. Shout out to Comics Quest. You ever seen his videos? I mean, he's just the Crow master. He's got some high-grade first appearance type shit. So, pretty awesome. And I was really happy to find this next book. Bam. Superman, there's volume. I forget what volume this is, but it's from 87. Superman number 4, first appearance of Bloodsport. This is a badass cover. Just shooting shit. And this book, I don't know if you can see it, this book for being 87 is pristine. Pristine. Covers white. Pages are white. That's a very fine plus. That's an 8.5 all day, every day. And you guys know me, anytime I get a chance with a broken up masthead or whatever you want to call it, Superman, Spider-Man, I pick it up. I pick it up. I back it up, man. I back it up. I pick it up, man. Where else? Oh, the cool thing about this book also, you guys know me, DC, John Byrne artwork, John Byrne writer, and Carl Kessel penciler. So, undervalued key right there, just because of the people who participated in that. Early Batman next, DC Batman number 359, second appearance of the Killer Croc. Shout out to Omega Shin Ryu Ken. I just saw his Batman top 10, and mother effer, man. It's insane. Just books that I would dream about. You know, he has Killer Croc's first appearance in Batman number 357, you know. He's got first appearance of the modern age or Silver Age Riddler. Just first appearance of Black Mask. Like, just sick books that it's hard to find. It's hard to find. Shout out to you guys. And Manga Comics, I will be doing a contest video. Not a contest video. I'll be doing that too. But I'll be doing a tag video pretty soon. Back issues, completing my run. Firestorm, Nuclear Man, number 3. And nothing crazy about this one. Just completing a run. Very much enjoy that book. Dick Giordano. Anything he's a part of for DC in the Copper Age and the Bronze Age is a popular book. And last but not least, I'm surprised I didn't have this one. I just really, really enjoy the cover. I've seen a lot of it. The Avengers number 221. Who will be the newest member to the Avengers? Now, can anyone give me information? I did read it, and the answer in this one, at least according to, and this is a spoiler alert, so sorry to anybody who's up. The answer, according to the end of the book, I believe was Hawkeye and She-Hulk. But Hawkeye's been an Avenger for a minute, right? I'm a little lost. She-Hulk, I understand, but I thought Hawkeye had been an Avenger forever. So, I don't know. If anyone could give me a info on that, that would be cool. Not really positive, but the cover's awesome. And that's it for my haul this week, guys. About to head over to my lady's house and enjoy some dinner. But wanted to get a haul out there. Want to give a shout out to everybody who's watched the videos. You guys are amazing. Hope you enjoyed the books. Like I said, getting harder and harder to find keys. And I'm just starting to save up for stuff that I really want. I want a few Batman books. I actually am trying to get my hands on a Batman book that would be my ultimate holy grail. And just put it this way, it's a 4-figure book, and if I get that one, I'll be really happy. I'm in talks with a guy right now who's seeing what he can do, see if he can get me a good price on it, and a good price would be north of $700. So I'm not going to divulge what it is, but hopefully it'll be in a haul video one day. And thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, rate my stuff. Thank you to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. You guys are amazing too. Comment on the video. I'll get back to you. And deuces. Deuces on Ant-Man, Spider-Woman, Rom. Rom sucks. Peace.